taxpayers spend $48,000 a day on a facility that abuses children and makes us less safe. That's the conclusion of a group monitoring conditions inside the Wilder Youth Detention Center in West Tennessee.
It is operated by the Department of Children's Services, and investigative reporter Ben Hall talked with families who have kids inside.
DCS says those inside are violent teen offenders, which present a difficult challenge. This report claims the abuse inside there makes the kids even more dangerous when they get out.
I'm speaking now because something needs to change. I could have lost my son today, and I love my son.
It's a phone call this woman, who we'll call Sherry, will never forget.
Like, ma'am, they just jumped your son down here. These guards just beat on your son down here. They kicked him all in his head, face, legs.
Teens inside the Wilder Youth Development Center called to tell her 5 guards beat her son.
All you hear was the children in the background was saying, ma'am, come check on your son.
How violent is that place?
Very, very violent. It's a parent's worst nightmare.
That nightmare is laid out in graphic detail in a report called Designed to Fail. The report details cases of physical and sexual abuse by guards and even staff orchestrating attacks on youth.
I don't think it's going too far to say that some of that abuse even really borders on torturing the most vulnerable children.
Disability Rights Tennessee and attorneys with a nonprofit law firm, the Youth Law Center, wrote the report, which is based on monitoring and visits dating back to September of 2020.
The violations of rights that we see at Wilder are some of the worst in the entire country.
Authors of this report hope it leads to major changes. So what does DCS say? Much more tonight at 6. Ben Hall, News Channel 5 investigates.